Our commercial restaurant hood, first off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 132 inches, a height of 24 inches, and a depth of 47.5 inches, along with 8 removable grease trap filters. Measurements for the oil filter grease trap will include 15 3/4 inches in length, also by 15 3/4 inches in height. The thickness of the grease trap will be 1 3/4 inches in thickness. Located on the side will be the NSF certification and is compliant with the American Health Department. This applies for every single grease trap that will be included with the hoods that we sell. Coming to the inside of the hood will be 3 NSF UL certified light bulbs. Located on the left and right bottom column will be removable oil pans that can be inserted back onto the track. Each oil pan is NSF approved, stamped located in the back of the pan. And for the dimensions for the interior of the pan will include 3 7/16 in length, 6 1/8 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for every single pan that will be included for the hoods that we sell. Coming to the back of the hood are 3 power boxes with removable faceplates, 3 3/4 inches in length by 3 3/4 inches in height. And again, the 2 screws can be removed, holding the bracket containing the wire on the inside. The measurement for the vent opening will include 30 inches in length, 12 inches in height, with the interior measuring 28 inches in length by 10 inches in height by 4 inch thick. Separated by the strip that runs along the back of the hood are the top and bottom corridor. Each measurement for each corridor will include 30 inches in length, by 9 inches in height. Measurements apply for the first, second, third, and fourth top left column, with the bottom column measuring also 30 inches in length by 15 3/4 inches in height. Measurements apply for only the left and right column, with the middle left and right column, the top one measuring 27 inches in length. Measurements apply for the left and right center column, with the bottom and right column, each one measuring 27 inches in length, also by 15.5 inches tall. Coming to the top and bottom left and right corners are brackets. Each bracket will measure 2.5 inches in length, also by 2.5 inches in height, by 3 inches wide. And located on the top left-hand column will be the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.